Sari-sari is a Filipino dish that means variety or mixed in Tagalog, reflecting the combination of different ingredients in one meal. It usually includes a mixture of vegetables, meats, or seafood cooked together in one pot, creating a flavorful and hearty dish. This food showcases the Filipino spirit of creativity and resourcefulness, as it often uses whatever ingredients available at home.
Everyone! So before anything else, no, allow us to introduce ourselves first. Ako si Jezreel Biosayan.
Ako po si Noblin T. Cobero.
And today, we are going to
Luto, a lutong Pinoy dish nga common na jud sa ato as ang Pilipino, which is sari-sari nga mga vegetables.
Hiwa, lamas. Tukdok, ahos. Butang lamas. Ugas. Kayo. Butang whale. Butang ahos. Bombay, ukay, butang gulay, butang toyo, tubig, sarap, ukay, huwat loto.
A few moments later.
Na madarama, bakit ba hindi ka na kilala nang ako'y malaya pa at hindi ngayon ang puso ko may kapiling na? Bakit ba hindi ka na ako'y naghihingi